Oh, you want the blizzard? I had people ask me not to sing it because they made them cry. So I've been just kind of avoiding that song.
Weeping lizards, the blizzard.
You don't run right now? Well, let's see if I can find it. It's been a while since I've sung it. There it is. And that's the key of C. Okay, you want a sad song, huh? Well, a lot of people tell me that cowboy songs are always sad. This kind of goes along with that story. There's a blizzard coming on. Lord, I'm wishing I was home. For my pony's lame, and he can't hardly stand. Key of C. Lord, my hands feel like they're froze, and there's a numbness in my toes. But it's only 7 miles to Marianne. Yes, it's only 7 miles to Marianne. You can bet we're on her mind, 'cause it's nearly supper time. And I'll bet there's about biscuits in the pan. Listen to that norther sigh. If we don't get home, we'll die. But it's only 5 more miles to Marianne. It's only 5 more miles to Marianne. Wind's a howling, and it seems mighty like a woman screams. And we best be moving faster if we can. All right, Dan, perhaps it's best we'll just stop a while and rest. It's still another mile to Marianne. It's still another mile to Marianne. Late that night, the storm was gone, and they found him there at dawn. He'd have made it, but he just wouldn't leave old Dan. Yes, they found him on the plains. His hands were frozen to the reins. He was just 100 yards from Marianne. He was just 100 yards from Marianne. Okay, that's it.